Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Shaina Ligaspi, 27 years old, from Diplahan, Zamboanga, Sibugay, Philippines. I am single with live-in partner and one kid. I am happy person, responsible and hardworking. I have work experience before here in Philippines for almost 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family. My duties as and responsibilities was cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and washing clothes. And also, I'm taking care of the two children. I assist them what they need, and sometimes we play outside and sing like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. If you choose me, ma'am and sir, I will do the very best of my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless us all, your family.